Do you want to make some text animation, call out animation, lower thread, logo animation, subscribe animation, intros like this? Today I will show you an app which can help you to make this type of stuff by just putting the text. The name of the app is HypeText. You can download the mod version of the app from the link given in description. But the application file is password protected, so watch the video till end to get the password. The password will appear in a particular part of the video. So let's move on to our mobile screen. Click on the try button. After that, you can find a lot of text animation, call out animation, lower thread animation, etc. As an example, I am selecting a text animation. Select green screen. After that, select the ratio and duration of the video. Click on the edit button to customize the text. You can change the text and font of the text from here. The app provides you some color presets, but you can also make custom color combinations. You can also add shadow and outline to the text. You can also change the duration of the video from here. After all the customizations, you can save the app by clicking on the download button and select the resolution and click on the export option. Again, I am selecting another one. The customization process is same in every template. You can change the image by clicking on the pencil icon. After clicking on the intro option, you can also find some simple intros. Simply click on the use this template button. After that, you can change the text and export it. On the Instagram section, you can make some animated quotes video. After that, open your video editing software. Import the photo or the video. And then add the green screen video as a layer. Just enable the chroma key. And that's it. I hope this app will help you to make a better video using your phone. If you like the video, then please subscribe the channel and like and share the video to all your editor friends. See you in the next one.